Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. If any of you guys are interested in how they made the Cadillacs back in the 1980s, this is how they were made. They were all made at the Cadillac factory in Lake Orion, Michigan, on an assembly line. This is the frame with the motor, transmission, the really nice wire wheels, white walls, and then the bodies were dropped down with a little cage. And they just kept building them and building them and building them. Most of them came with Oldsmobile motors, 307 V8s. They had 4 doors, 2 doors. And this is exactly how they were made. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.